Morning. Welcome to Happily Ever Eden. My name is Faith Eden, and we are 3 short days away from fall, from the official first day of fall. And I can tell you out here in Missouri that the leaves are beginning to change. I noticed about a month ago, really, that the scenery was getting dusty. I mean, that the leaves were changing from beautiful, vibrant greens to starting to get yellow. So the scenery just looked dusty. So we're progressing very nicely, although it's still very much so predominantly green, but we are on our way. We are not hot and humid right now, but this morning there was fog, it was crisp air, it was cool air, it was lovely, it was magnificent, it was total a hi, my name is Autumn and I'm busting through, I am here, I have arrived kind of morning. So anyway, I did take some shots of the foggy morning. I'll throw those in there at some point during this video. But I'm practicing some of the seasonal dishes that I'll be making this year, kind of trying to branch out of what's normal for me and experience something new, both for health purposes and also just to mix things up. So in this one, we went out of our realm of normal and I cooked a whole dish inside of a pumpkin. And I'm just gonna tell you right now, it was absolutely delicious. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Now, of course it was delicious because Thanksgiving dinner is typically delicious. So it goes without saying that it was good. But the part that I worried about the most was probably gonna be the pumpkin. Because for me, the idea of eating pumpkin outside of a dessert form is very foreign. And I worried about that. I worried about how my husband would enjoy it or not enjoy it. But I'm here to tell you, okay? The way that I seasoned it, and you can season it however you want to, whatever fits you and your family and your taste buds, that's the direction that you should go. This is just the way that I chose to season it, and I'm gonna tell you something, it was delicious. It's a relatively easy recipe, but it's not the most time friendly, and you have to roast the pumpkin 2 different times. So while it's an easy recipe, you literally throw everything together, you roast the pumpkin. It's probably gonna take about an hour, maybe an hour, 20 minutes or so. It depends on your efficiency in the kitchen, I guess. But if you're willing to invest the time, it's delicious. So anyway, I'm gonna shut up. We're gonna go ahead and make this delicious piece of upcoming Thanksgiving dishes. I'm just thankful that there are so many of you that have subscribed to this channel, which is really like out of this world. I didn't think people would subscribe because really this started off as like me being able to document learning how to home make and learning how to prepare dishes and learning how to do food preservation and all of that stuff. I think the decoration videos have a lot to do with the growth of this channel. So that's obviously something that you guys like, which is something that I'm going to continue to do. But I'm thankful for each and every one of you that are here. So if you like this content and you want to hang out and, you know, partake in the future, then if you would subscribe and turn the notifications on and leave me a comment down below, I would most certainly appreciate it. So I will stop jabbering and let's get to the video. Well, guys, that was it. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that you were inspired to make your own autumn fall dishes and to wow the people around you and to wow yourself. Learning something new is very exciting, and to shake things up, not keep things the same. It's the spice of life, and I love it. So if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something new, or if you were inspired to do something, if you could like, subscribe, leave a comment, do whatever down below, I would certainly appreciate the engagement. And we're gonna keep trucking forward. I have a few things in mind as far as pumpkin goes that I'm gonna be making this season that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. And if you have any recommendations, again, friend, please share them. I am here to learn and to develop and share what I am learning with you so that we can just rock out what we're interested in. And clearly we're interested in food and decorations. So that's that. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope that you have a great week. And I hope that when you go out this week, that you go out with the idea of blessing somebody. So take care, friends, and I will see you next time.